Hello everyone, we are Team BotMinds and today we are going to give you a complete demo of our project, the ZeroShot AI debate bot. The goal of this project was to build a debate bot which can debate on a specific topic uh, with representing pro side as well as con sides. So we wanted to implement this by using a large language model to simulate debates that are both informative and structured with evidence-backed arguments. So our solution is a React plus Fast API application that generates structured debates using prompt engineering and backed arguments with factual data pulled from Wikipedia and other sources. The debates that we are going to generate will be split into two sides, pro and con, and the interface allow user to see both perspective clearly as well as add their own perspective. So our key features is that it will be have an opening, rebuttal, and conclusion from both sides. The OpenAI compatibility will be the LLM provider for generating content, and it also allows submit users to submit their own arguments. Users can also like or dislike the specific arguments. Uh, and if they like a statement, another statement will be generated with a reference to that, and if they dislike the statement, the existing statement will be removed and new statement would be there. There is also a overall vote counter that shows total like for each side. Mm. Now let me give you a walkthrough for this. So here we are at the home page. Let's enter a topic. Let's say nuclear weapons. Here I have entered the topic and I have clicked on start debates. Now it is starting to generate the facts. Now it is generated. So this is the pro side of the debate, the opening statement, the rebuttal, the closing, and this is the con side of the debate. As I have mentioned earlier that if you, let's say, like the statement, another statement with reference to that gets generated here. And let's say if you dislike the statement, this statement would be removed and another statement has been uh, shown up. Now let's say if I want to add my own perspective, let's say I am saying that nuclear weapons maintain a deterrent among nations. Let's say I want to add it to pro side. So contrary to this, the bot will generate a point which will be counter of that. So let's say here the point gets added that nuclear weapons maintains a deterrent among nation, and the rebuttal of that is being added here. That this is the whole point that the model has generated based on the point that I have provided. It is the exact counter of this point. Also, we have the counter of like and dislike. Let's say if I have like this statement, the counter gets after the generation, the counter gets incremented, and also a new statement with reference to this statement has been generated. We have also integrated a reset functionality that which will go on to the starting state of the project. And here you can, let's say, add new project, let's say capitalism, and start the debate. While developing this project, we face some challenges like parsing and structuring the LLM responses correctly, fetching the data, and keeping front-end responsive, and some text overflow problems, which we solved by referring to documentation. So that was the Zero Shot AI debate bot. It is our attempt to make AI not just smart but structured, neutral, and fact-based in argumentation. Uh, Thank you for watching this demo, and I hope you enjoyed exploring this idea of AI powered debates. Thank you so much.